Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Peasy English. In today's long and detailed episode, we're going to explore one small but extremely powerful word in English, keep. The title of today's lesson is How to Use Keep in Everyday English, Daily English Conversations. By the end of this episode, you will not only understand the meaning of keep, but you will also be able to use it naturally in daily conversations with confidence. Let me start with something important. Many English learners focus on difficult vocabulary. They try to memorize advanced words, long expressions, and complicated grammar structures. But the secret to fluency is not difficult words. The secret is mastering simple words deeply. And keep is one of those high-frequency words that native speakers use every single day. So first, what does keep mean? The basic meaning of keep is to continue, to stay, to not stop, or to have something and not give it away. But depending on the structure, the meaning can change slightly. That's why today we will break it down step by step with simple explanations and real-life examples. Let's begin with the first common structure, keep plus verb-ing. This structure means continue doing something. For example, keep going. It means continue moving. Keep studying. It means continue studying. She keeps talking. It means she continues talking again and again. Notice something important here. After keep, we use the verb in the ing form, not the base form, not the past form, always verb-ing. Now let's practice with daily conversation examples. Imagine you are studying English and you feel tired. Your friend says, "Don't give up. Keep practicing." That means continue practicing. Or imagine you are exercising at the gym and your trainer says, "Keep breathing, keep pushing." Again, it means continue. Here is a speaking tip. When you learn a new structure like keep plus verb-ing, do not just understand it. Use it immediately. For example, say out loud, "I will keep learning English. I keep forgetting new words. My brother keeps borrowing my phone." The more personal your sentences are, the faster your brain will remember. Now let's move to the second common meaning, keep plus object. This means to not lose something or to continue having something. For example, keep the change. This means you can have the extra money. Or keep your passport safe. This means do not lose it. Another example is, "Can I keep this book?" It means, "Can I have it permanently?" In daily life, you will hear sentences like, "Keep your phone in your bag," "Keep your voice down," "Keep your receipt." These are very common in restaurants, stores, airports, and schools. Now let's explore another powerful structure, keep plus adjective. This means to stay in a certain condition. For example, keep calm. That means stay calm. Keep quiet, stay quiet. Keep warm, stay warm. This structure is very common in advice and instructions. Imagine it is raining and your mother says, "Keep dry." Or before an exam, your friend says, "Keep positive." These expressions are short but powerful. Now let's move to another important pattern. Keep someone plus adjective. For example, "This music keeps me happy," or "Coffee keeps me awake." Here, keep means something causes a condition to continue. If you say, "Working late keeps me tired," it means working late causes you to remain tired. Now let's look at phrasal verbs with keep. This is where many learners feel confused, but don't worry, we will make it simple. First, keep on. This is similar to keep plus verb-ing. For example, keep on trying. It means continue trying. You might hear, "If you keep on practicing, you will improve." Second, keep up. This has a few meanings. One meaning is to continue at the same level. For example, keep up the good work. Another meaning is to move at the same speed. For example, walk faster. I can't keep up with you. Third, keep up with. This means to stay at the same level as someone or something. For example, it's hard to keep up with technology, or she studies every day to keep up with her classmates. Fourth, keep away. This means stay far from something. For example, keep away from the fire, or the sign says keep away from the construction area. Fifth, keep out. This means do not enter. For example, keep out of this room. You might see this on a private property sign. Now let's talk about real-life conversation practice. Imagine this situation. You are talking to your friend about learning English. Friend, I feel like my English is not improving. You just need to keep practicing. Don't stop. Keep going. Here's another situation. You are very busy at work. Colleague, how do you manage everything? I just keep organized and keep focused on my priorities. Another example, you're feeling stressed. Friend, you look worried. Yes, but I'm trying to keep calm. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Many learners say keep to study instead of keep studying. Remember, after keep, we use the verb in ing. That small grammar detail makes your English sound much more natural. Here is a strategy for mastering keep. Create a keep diary for 1 week. Every day, write 5 sentences using different keep structures. For example, day 1, I will keep improving. Day 2, I need to keep my room clean. Day 3, this music keeps me relaxed. Day 4, I can't keep up with the news. Day 5, keep going no matter what. Speaking practice is also important. Pause this podcast and create your own sentences. Speak them out loud. Repetition builds fluency. Now, let's look at motivation. The word keep itself is motivational. Keep trying. Keep believing. Keep growing. Success in English is not about talent. It is about consistency. If you keep showing up every day, even for 20 minutes, your English will improve. Let me share a small case example. Imagine a student named David. He studies alone. Every day, he learns 5 new phrases and practices speaking for 10 minutes. Some days he feels tired. Some days he feels bored. But he keeps going. After 6 months, he notices he can speak more smoothly. What changed? He did not change his teacher. He did not move abroad. He simply kept practicing. Now, I want you to repeat this sentence. I will keep improving my English. Say it again. I will keep improving my English. When you repeat positive sentences, you train both your language and your mindset. Before we finish, let's quickly review. Keep plus verb-ing means continue. Keep plus object means not lose or continue having something. Keep plus adjective means stay in that condition. And phrasal verbs like keep up, keep on, keep away, and keep out are very common in daily conversation. The key to fluency is not learning hundreds of difficult words. It is mastering simple words like keep and using them naturally in many situations. So, from today, keep practicing, keep speaking, keep listening, keep learning. Small daily effort creates big long-term results. Thank you for spending your time with Easy Peasy English. If you found this lesson helpful, keep watching, keep supporting, and most importantly, keep using English every single day. See you in the next episode, and remember, just keep going.